What's here? Trinidad, it's breakfast time. Place sunny, breezy as usual. So guys, what we're going to do today is we're going to try fry aloo and fry bake. So you can see the golden brown fry. You can see the brown in the potato, aloo, call it in Trinidad, and this is the fry bake, fry roti, fry bake. Doesn't matter, same thing. So guys, let me see how it goes. I'm going to try the golden brown part here. See how it goes. Wow, looks great, smells delicious. Let me see how it goes. Wow. Looks lovely, smells lovely. See how it goes. Oh. Now tasting saltfish. Wow. Crispy. Delicious. Fried bit soft. Tender. Wow. So it goes. I'm gonna try some of this mango and share with it. That is the same. Wow. Mango and share, smelling the masala. Smelling lovely. Perfect breakfast. Garlic, fried foods. This is fried potato, fried aloo, saltfish in it, and fried roti. Fried bake, guys. Wow. Guys, nothing like a beautiful breakfast. Trinidad. Subscribe to my videos, give me a thumbs up. Love you all. Keep looking at my videos. And don't forget, level food.